Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net, and in today's video I will show you how you can easily unblock someone on Snapchat. So if you have mistakenly or knowingly blocked your friend on Snapchat, you can easily unblock them by following the steps that I'm going to show you in today's video. So without any further delay, let's get started with the topic. Alright, so first of all, you just have to open the Snapchat app and make sure you are logged in. Now what you need to do is just tap your profile icon that is given at the top left corner of the screen. From here you have to go to the settings section. For that, simply tap the settings icon, the gear icon given at the top right corner. And here if you will scroll down to the bottom, you will see one option under account actions that says blocked. So simply you have to go to blocked, and here you will see the list of all those friends whom you have blocked on Snapchat. Now if you want to unblock any of your friends on Snapchat, you just have to tap the cross icon, the X icon that is given next to their name. All right, and then Snapchat will ask you that are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatters. You simply have to tap yes. So yeah, the person got unblocked, but keep this in mind now that you have unblocked them, but you will still need to add them again as your friend if you want. All right, you have only unblocked them, but now to add them as your friend again, you simply have to search by their name or username, and then you have to again add them as your friend. This will not automatically add the person as your friend. They got already removed from your blocked friends list when you blocked them. All right, now to get them back as your friend, you will need to send them a request. All right, so that's how you can unblock anyone on Snapchat that you want. That was all for this topic. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and you can also visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting content. Thank you for watching.